obey your laws. But you chose to create the human race in your own image, setting us over the whole world in all its wonder. You make us the steward of your creation, to praise you day by day for the marvels of your wisdom and holiness. We praise you, Lord, with all the angels and saints, as we now join them in their unending hymn of praise. Lord, you are holy, indeed you are the Father, and you are the source of all holiness. Let your Spirit come upon these gifts to make them holy, so that they may become for us the body and the blood of our Lord Jesus, at whose invitation we celebrate this Eucharist. On the night Jesus was betrayed and given up to death, a death he freely accepted, he took bread and gave you thanks and praise. Jesus broke the bread and then gave it to his disciples. And Jesus said, "Take this, all of you, and eat it. This is my body, which will be given up for you." When the supper was ended, he took the cup which was filled with wine. Again he gave you thanks and praise. Then Jesus gave the cup to his disciples and said, "Take this, all of you, and drink from it. This is the cup of my blood, blood of the new